How to get VC on Roblox without ID. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open the Roblox website right here. And then once you're now logged in into your account, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the settings icon and then click the settings again. Once you click the settings right there, the next thing that we need to do under the account info is the email address. So on the email address, as you can see, I haven't added any email yet. So what we're going to do is to add one. So just click add email right there and then just put your email right here and then click add email. And then a verification code has been sent into that email. So what we're going to do is to go into that email and then let's click verify email. And then once it is verified, what we're going to do next is to go back into this part and then click verify. So as you can see, the email is now verified. And then on the account info, if you see a phone number, which is right there, then all you have to do is to also add one so that we can fully verify our Roblox account. So what we're going to do next after this is go into the personal, make sure that your age group is 18 plus. So if it is not, all you have to do is to click the edit button right there and then just edit your birth date. And then let's go back right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click the privacy and content restrictions. And then on the communication, and in this part, you should now be able to see the option to turn on your microphone. However, if that didn't work, then the next thing that we need to do is to reach out into Roblox. So what we're going to do next is to click the help button right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to search for voice chat and then click enter and then click this one. And then in this part, as you can see, voice chat is currently available to all 13 plus phone number verified users under these countries. So if your country is not listed on this part, then the only option that you have is to verify with ID verification. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to get VC in Roblox without ID verification.